Hey guys, back with another video, and today we are going to be playing Booga Booga. So basically what this game is it's like a game that you like PvP in, and it's just a survival game kind of. And you mine stuff to get like good things. Like I've got the best thing in the game. It's called a god rock, a god pick, a god axe, and they're all the best things in the game. So yeah. Now we need to, this thing's called Shelby, and we've got to mine it, and then it has 5,000 health. So when we mine it, we get pink diamonds out of it. So I'll be right back when we mine it. Yeah, so this is the final hit, and bosh. Bosh? Okay, there. And look what this drops. Pink. Oh, let me go and quickly put on a bag. Where is it? That one. Oh my, so much essence. Okay, let me quickly pick all this pink diamond back. Yo, so we just mined it, and now we got all this out of it. We got like all this raw morsel, pink diamond, loads of epic stuff. And then when we broke one of these big giant shellies, then we got all these little baby snails. And I am sorry, little baby snails, but you're gonna have to go. Thank you for the loot. Now this one. So much loot coming at once, bruv. Oh, there's another one. Okay. Well, we can go PvP. Let's go looking for someone to PvP. I do have max voodoo, so that is going to be very good in the 1v1. So if they do try 1v1ing me, they're probably going to get clapped. Because I have full voodoo, and I have god rock, and I have all of this blood fruit. Like that, I just can't remember what that digit is. Basically, someone gave this all to me a lot. So I got all that, and then all the rest is what I grinded for a bit, and then I did grind a bit of blood fruit, but then someone just added onto it a lot. Like 1, 2, yeah, there's so many. So I'll be right back when we get there. Okay guys, so we're finally at the main area, and I can see a lot of people. Danny on Roblox. Weird. And he has nothing right now. So he does have a Shelly pet. Bit cautious. I shouldn't kill noobs. This guy doesn't know I'm doing a vid. I'm doing a vid right now. XD. Bruh. This guy didn't even know I'm recording. Oh, he's doing a vid too. Take some gold. Take some gold. Then let's go to here. There's always gold. Now let's go back out. Oh, this gate's glitched. They all look glitched because they're not moving. Unless I can. Okay, I can't. Oh, it's a noob. I'm sorry. Oh, an emerald kid. What a surprise. Let's go in. Get scaredy. I need to get this guy in front of him. Why? You are... What was going on with that character? Haha. You are a bully. So that's mean. We are protecting the noobs. Thanks for all the emerald though, bruv. AJ is bully. Kidder. He knows who it is. That kid just left. Now there's only exactly 4 people left. And I see a lot of emeralds down there. Players. At last. Who's Cos? He's level 87. I mean 84. Oh, he's retro. And I just killed him. Well, thanks for the loot. And now we've got this other pile of M's. Someone must have died here like infinite times and must have been a big pro. Picking up this loot because he gave it to us basically. Okay, I think they're all gone. Oh no, they're not. I see an actual challenge now. I may need to use my weapon that I donated for. This guy is a bit too strong. Maybe. I'm not even using voodoo on this kid. Oh my. GG. Oh, I'll take some of them gold bars, bruv. Let's take it. JK. I will take this gold bars in peace. And then more shards. So much good loot on him. You bad, I did not want to fight. Well, you were a pro, so you died. And he left. Okay guys, we just almost got killed. Yeah. Except I think we're gonna end off the video because like we killed a lot of people and yeah. Killed a whole flipping void kid. A void kid, let's go. Okay guys, so thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.